Hello and welcome back to AwaisMatrix, the place where tech meets simplicity. At AwaisMatrix, we bring you powerful content on motivation, education, technology, IT, and gaming, all in one place, whether you're looking to boost your productivity. Learn about the latest tech tools, improve your digital skills, or just stay inspired. This channel is made for you. What we share, tech tips and tutorials, free online tools and websites, motivational videos, educational content in Urdu, Hindi and English, gaming insights and updates. Subscribe now and join the AwaisMatrix family, where we learn, grow and level up together, one video at a time. If you've ever struggled to edit a PDF file, sign a document digitally, or just wanted to fix something in a file without downloading heavy software, today's video is for you. I'll be showing you the top for PDF editing websites that are completely free to use, don't require any login, and work entirely online in your browser, whether you're on a PC, Mac, tablet, or even a phone. These websites are not only fast and efficient, they're also trusted by millions of users. So let's jump right in. 1. Sejda.com, user-friendly and feature-rich. Our first website is Sejda. A powerful online PDF editor with a very clean and modern interface. Sejda allows you to add or edit existing text in a PDF, insert new images, fill out PDF forms, annotate with highlights, shapes, and comments, of digital signatures, and even create new PDF files from scratch. What is great is that Sejda gives you access to most of these features without even asking for a Signup. Free usage limits. You can edit up to 3 PDFs per hour with a file size limit of 50 megabytes or 200 pages. Sejda is perfect when you want to work quickly and securely. That's more than enough for casual users, students, or small businesses. Plus, your uploaded files are automatically deleted after 2 hours for privacy. 2. iLovePDF.com, the Swiss Army knife of PDF tools. Second on the list is the all-in-one website called iLovePDF.com. This isn't just an editor, it is a complete toolkit for everything related to PDF. Here's what you can do. Merge multiple PDF files, split large PDFs into smaller chunks, compress large files without losing quality, convert PDFs to and from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and images at Watermarks, or page numbers, unlock password-protected PDFs, and of course, edit text and forms. What makes iLovePDF stand out is its cloud support. You can import and save files from Google Drive or Dropbox directly, which is super helpful if you work across multiple devices. No account needed unless you want to batch process multiple files. Free usage limits. You can perform most tasks for free, and they also have mobile apps and desktop tools. 3.pdfescape.com, lightweight and fast. Next up is pdfescape.com, an easy-to-use tool that runs directly in your web browser. pdfescape is great for adding new text, whiting out sections, inserting shapes, check marks, and notes, filling out forms, drawing freehand on the page, creating clickable hyperlinks inside PDFs. It's a bit simpler than others, but for fast editing jobs, especially form filling, it's excellent. Unique feature, it allows you to create a blank PDF from scratch and start building your document, which is something most free tools don't offer. Again, no login required for the web version, and you can edit files up to 10 megabytes or 100 pages for free. For .smallpdf.com, premium feel for free. Last but not least, we have Smallpdf, one of the most popular PDF services online. It offers a polished, professional interface with over 20 PDF tools including PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPG, adding signatures, protecting PDFs with passwords, unlocking protected PDFs, organizing, and rotating pages, compressing files with minimal quality loss, and yes, editing content as well. iLovePDF is especially good for freelancers, students, and business users because it's fast, safe, and beautifully designed. Free version, you can use up to 2 tools per day without signing up. And files are deleted after 1 hour, which makes it ideal for sensitive documents, outro, CTA, and engagement. So there you have it, for of the best free websites that make PDF editing easier than ever. No software, no installation, and no account required. Whether you're a student filling out assignments, a freelancer signing documents, or just someone who needs a quick text fix in a PDF, these tools can save your time and energy. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. Or do you already have a favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Share this with friends or colleagues who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to AwaisMatrix for more tutorials, tech tools, and time-saving tricks. Also, let me know in the comments which tool are you going to try first.